Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your active status on Facebook. Let's get started. If you're already a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that we don't waste time, we just dive right into the content you are looking for. Okay, and if you're not already subscribed, please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get started. Once you're on a Facebook app, click on your profile picture to the right. Then I want you to locate settings, then click on settings and privacy. Okay, just scroll down, settings and privacy, then settings. Now scroll down, just scroll down until you see this button for active status. Just click on it, just tap on it once, just like this. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake. Okay, now currently my status is turned on. Now if I want to turn it off so that people can never know when I'm online, I just turn it off like this. Easy peasy. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.